Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 8 build 8031. Now this build is a milestone 3 build of Windows 8 and it is a pre-developer preview build of Windows 8. And it was compiled on June 22nd, 2011 and was leaked on October 22nd, 2024. Now its time bomb is March 15th, 2012, and before it leaked, there was a screenshot of the build's out-of-box experience, which was uploaded to the BetaWiki Discord on March 18th, 2021. So yeah, this build has some new features, and also it has some changes, so yeah. And that's exactly what we're going to be checking out, so let's get started. We're going to be creating a brand new virtual machine, and, well, yeah. So let's go ahead and do a custom install. We're going to do workstation 8 and we're going to be obviously setting it to 64-bit because there is only a 64-bit compile of this build. So yeah, we're going to be calling it Windows 8 build 8031. Wait a minute, did I say 8034? Hold on, let me... Alright, so I'm back, and I did say 8031, so that's good. Anyways, yeah, I don't know what was... I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna be now continuing to create the virtual machine, give it 2 CPU cores, the usual, give it 8 gigs of RAM, oh yeah, obviously that. Create a new virtual hard disk. 60 gigs, yes, and go ahead over to the CD-ROM drive. Also, I'm going to remove the network adapter and go to the CD-ROM drive, click view as ISO file, and we're going to be putting in our 8034 ISO. I mean, not 8034. Oh my gosh, what's up with me saying 8034? It's 8031. Now we're going to be putting in our 8031 ISO. Not 8034, 8031. And we're going to be booting up the virtual machine. And we're going to be booting into the BIOS because we got to change the date for 8031 to June 22nd. Or we'll just set it to 2011 because, well, it should work. Okay, so... Okay. And I don't know what. Okay, there we go. It is taking forever to load the BIOS here. If we go to 2011, exit saving changes, yes. Oh, it's literally going line by line, updating the screen. That is just horrible. Oh, there we go. It does it again. Anyways, now it should be... Yeah, there we go. It rebooted. And... there we go. Welcome. Loading files. It is loading files indeed. And I don't know if we'll get the Windows Developer Preview boot screen. Let's take a look here. BetaWiki does not show anything. And we have the Betafish wallpaper, so... Well, yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. Welcome! And now we will wait because yeah, anyways, here's our mouse cursor and okay, so we've got the Windows 7 thing, so we're gonna click next, click install now. Setup is starting. I'm probably gonna have to put in the product key, obviously. So yeah, Yep, let's put in the product key. Alright, so we're gonna be accepting the license terms. Custom. Next. And it will install now. So I'll be back once we are in the out-of-box experience. Alright, so we are back, and let's try this again. Because, watch this. So, it's gonna try expanding files. And then, well, it's gonna fail. It's gonna say your computer needs to restart. It's gonna put up that screen because it will literally crash. You literally, I don't know what is happening, but it literally will crash. I'm gonna have to do some research on how to fix this because, oh my god, what exactly is happening? Okay, so it gets the expanding files, but then it says the computer needs to restart. So yeah, it is at 9%, but at some point it will fail. So apparently we have to go to safe mode. Yeah, I don't know if this is like oh yeah, that's actually a good point. Okay, so I'll try that. We'll see if this is okay. So it's at 34%. I'll be back when something interesting happens. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Your computer needs to restart. An error if you encountered a problem and needs to restart. So apparently it's by USB xhci.sys. So we have error code that. So let's put that into this. It's x0, oh wait, 0x0000 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7. Okay, that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7e. So that's the bug, that's the error code. I think this has got to do with the USB drivers. Oh, okay. I mean, it's a USB thing. So, hold on. I have a feeling that if we do these two things, the build should install. So, let me go ahead and do those things. So, first up, we're going to go to Edit. We're going to lower the amount of RAM to 4 gigabytes. Actually, there's 3 things. We're going to give it only 1 CPU core. And our USB controller will be set to USB 2.0 instead of USB 3.0. Which makes sense, actually, because the USB 3 controller is probably broken on this build. So, yeah. It's probably a good thing to change these things. So, well, yeah. Anyways, we're going to press a key, and we're going to restart the setup. What on earth has happened here? Okay, now it should be fine. And I'll be back when something interesting happens. Oh my, what is happening? Once again, I'll be back when something interesting happens. So yeah. Alright everyone, we have returned to this OOBE. This is the first build. I was searching for the first build that had this, and we figured it out. It's 8031. At least I think it's 8031. So yeah, this is very interesting. I mean, come on, look at it. Half of it is monochrome and half of it is glitched out. Because that's how we do things around here, you know? That's exactly how we do things around here. Oh no, I needed a screenshot of it. No. It's fine. I didn't get it. It's fine. Preparing your desktop. Wait, what? It doesn't say preparing your PC yet? No, that's sad. Why doesn't it say that? No. Why? That's actually sad, bro. It doesn't say that? I wonder when it starts saying preparing your PC instead of preparing your desktop. I don't know. 8108. Apparently 8108 is the next build in the Windows 8 upgrade saga because we got the developer preview today. Like the actual developer preview. So actually let me go see what's new in this build. Anyways, the wallpaper has remained the same because, well, it just has. Anyways, let's change the screen resolution and grab Red Pill because we're going to look at the new start screen because it has changed since 8023, I think. What was the last build that we took a look at? I don't know. I think it was 8023. I don't know. It was 8023. Okay. So yeah, anyways, we're going to grab Red Pill because we need Red Pill. So we're going to be putting in our ISO. But yeah, right now it's just Windows 7. But with placeholder icon. Actually, I don't know. Is the placeholder icons? We'll find out. We'll find out. We will find out. Let's put in the Redlock ISO. And then we should be able to go and open folder to view files. And no, we don't. That's the placeholder icons are obviously the new things. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense. We're going to be installing Red Pill. Or Redlock, actually, that's what it's called. It's called Red Pill, but the tool to get Red Pill is Redlock. So, well, yeah. Anyways, yeah, let's just... It's taking a while to shut down. Playing log off sound. That's not the is that the log off sound? I thought that was the shutdown sound. Anyways, I'll be back once we have Red Pill. So, yeah. Also, I think it's no, it's not. And as you can see, it has turned purple. Yeah, it has turned purple. Yes, it is now purple, guys. It is now purple. I wonder if I put it's purple anywhere here. Start of purple. Well, I'm gonna call this one new start. Wait, no, but I already made one called new start screen. So we need to we need a new name for episode 140. I'm gonna call it purple start. We're gonna call it new tiles and starts new tiles. It's called new tiles. That's the name. Anyways, yeah, as you can see, after we run Red Pill, we have gotten a brand new theme. The desktop tile now looks like this. And, well, yeah. Let's see what else there is new in this build. So, oh yeah, the placeholder icons have finally been replaced. So, yeah, let's open this up. And there we go. As you can see, you've got the new new icons, which have been replaced. However, some of the icons haven't been replaced, like the navigation pane or the legacy toolbars. But I think all the computer ones have been replaced. So that's nice. If we click on stuff, we can see that these have been replaced. The favorites have not been replaced yet. So yeah, that's really cool, you know. I wonder if the Windows flag has obviously not been replaced yet because, yeah, computer properties should still open up in control panel just like it does in Windows 8. And right here it says Windows Developer Preview, so that's cool, and that's really nice. I wonder if you can change the color still in this build, because I don't know, but we'll have to change it back to the original, because yeah. So let's go over to the personalize, because it is purple, guys. It's purple, just like the final one, but they're gonna change it to blue, I'm pretty sure. There is our control panel. So there's personalization. It takes you to that, but let's go to start menu. So it's on there. Let's see if we can change it to green or something, like a nice green. No, you cannot change it. I wonder if we restart the computer. Maybe if you restart the computer. So let's restart the computer, because I think this worked in like in another build. If we restarted the computer, it would change to the different color. So we're gonna try it out, you know. So here it is. There's the beta fish wallpaper. Obviously we don't have the Windows Developer Preview wallpaper yet. I mean, not the wallpaper, the boot screen. And well, oh crap! So, oh yeah, we gotta do. There are 2 bugs that we gotta explore in this build after. And no, it still is purple. Oh wait, we got the new spinning wheel. That's cool. It said other user for a second. That's strange. Anyways, yeah, we are logging in to Windows. It says Windows Developer Preview down here. Really nice. It's a nice I actually like the purple color. It looks better than the blue. It fits better, and I think that's why they. And no, yeah, I didn't really change, but that's fine. That's a bug, I guess. Epic start sound. Explorer.exe still needs to load, obviously. There we go. Anyways, let's check out WinVer, because there is a bug. It doesn't say developer preview, I think. So WinVer still says Microsoft Confidential, apparently. No, it says Windows Developer Preview. I don't know. I think that there was red text here. There's supposed to be red text here. However, there's no red text here. So, yeah. Because, yeah, there's normally red text in WinVer, but there isn't, apparently. And also, Windows Media Center. Yeah, we've got to check this out. Let's go over to the Windows Media Center, which is right here. And let's attempt to load it, because it has some insane graphical glitches. Or at least it should. According to the beta wiki, it should have graphical glitches. That is if it opens. I don't know if it'll open. Oh, it opened up. Let's see. Let me move the mouse cursor. Wait, what? Wait, it's just fine. What? Windows Media Center may show graphical issues on certain display drivers. It apparently does not. I don't know. It's supposed to be cursed. I mean, it isn't showing the Windows welcome to the Windows Media Center. It isn't showing that, so let's just try to click continue here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that's working. Anyways, let's close out of that. Oh my, it's so slow when you have Windows Media Center open. Mainly because it uses a lot of your graphical power. But yeah, Windows Media Center, I think it gets removed in Windows 8. Because, well, yeah. Anyways, we're going to close it, or attempt to close it. Close, please. Hello? It's not even closing. Let's open up Task Manager. Which crashes. Alright, let's try closing Media Center from this thing. I wonder if they've ported Windows Media Center over to Windows 10 and 11. That would be pretty cool. I should do a video on that if they have ported it over. Cause I don't know if I would use it, but it would be pretty cool. Oh my, can you not close this? I don't think you can close that. Okay, well, I get the virtual machine just froze, so we're gonna have to reboot again. I mean, we've basically explored everything. I just need to get the thumbnail shot for the video, and then we can end off the video. So, yeah. Anyways, I'll be back once we log back in. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tale from the... enjoyed this exploring series video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and blame the London and Northeastern Railway for your Windows builds crashing. I'm 7Zeb, and I'll see you in the next video.